So guys, we're going brown stew down to fish. Well, 3 fish. One for me, one for Will J, and one for someone. People may not ask if this are nice. So stay tuned for it. It's gonna be a short video, but yeah. So the first thing I got add a little green blend. And as you can see this, I'm already telling you I'm putting on my green blend, see it? Pimento, onion, scallion, thyme, pepper, the whole works. See, that's some I rub it in the middle, rub it up, and then I add on some powder seasoning. While me I rub it up, I also add a little ginger, liquid ginger. I have some liquid ginger, and lime. So that is that. So there it is, guys. You don't add too much green bean because remember you're going to fry it first and you don't want the seasoning to burn. But to marinate down the thing, you know, get a nice little flavor. Yeah. So we're going to add some fish seasoning. We're going to add some Maggi seasoning. I'm going to add some Old Bay and adobo. That look good, right? It's a cayenne pepper. I'm not using no black pepper. It's a little paprika. I'm gonna also add some oregano. I'm gonna add some rosemary. Yeah. I gotta add some complete season. I'm gonna add some pimento, garlic, and onion powder and ginger. And I think that's what I'm going to add. I'm just going to mix this together and voila, there it is. So guys, we're going to sprinkle what we mixed up, you know, just sprinkle it on top of it, sprinkle it and sprinkle and sprinkle and sprinkle. We're going to flip them. And my fish was already pat dried, but because I add some of the lime and ginger juice, that's why. And we're just going to rub it on. See? Just rub it on, put it on. Get in your creases and your grooves, and then you're gonna add some in the middle, right? You have to season the middle. No matter what you do, season the middle. Rub it in. I'm gonna do this and come back, okay? So I'm going to also add some shrimp to the side. So I'm going to use the same seasoning, just season them with the shrimp here. And put it together. Nothing too tough, and that's it. So guys, not going to change. So I'm going to add my scallion, my thyme. So I'm going to add my onion, my pepper. And last but not least, I'm going to add scallion. Now I'm adding ginger and garlic because I use a lot of ginger and garlic powder. But that is that. And I'm just going to add in a fish. So there you have it. You have the oil coming out of the fish and the oil going into the fish. And this water covered here. We don't want too much and too little, or too. So guys, once one side is fried, you turn it, and you take out the seasoning once it starts to burn, and let the pepper because the pepper is good. There you have it. So guys, we're just going to heat the pepper, and that's it. So to brown stew down with it, I have some green plantain. They're over right. That's how I like it. I have some sweet corn, Irish potato, carrots. I have some bell pepper. I have some pumpkin. That's ginger. I have broccoli, and I have some cauliflower. So this is the entire meal. I'm gonna clean these up and then come back to it. So guys, I'm going to boil the corn, the pumpkin, and the Irish. I'm just going to add a pumpkin flavored cocktail to the water and a tablespoon of butter. And that's what I'm going to boil the corn and the stuffing. So in the pumpkin mix, I'm going to throw in the corn. Cut it up. Oops. Then I'm going to add the Irish potato. Then I'm going to add the pumpkin. Okay, so that's that. So guys, as you can see, the fish is finished. You know, I can't eat it just like this. That's that. So now we're gonna move on to the sauce as I'm gonna show now. So this is the pumpkin, the corn, and the Irish potato boiling in the pumpkin capsule with a little butter. That's that. And here we have the fried plantain, and it's the overripe plantain. So I've just cut them up, and then I'm going to fry them. And here we have bell pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, ginger, carrot, and a scotch bonnet pepper. And this is the pan that I had seasoned the fish in. So this is going to make the beginning of the sauce. Okay? So we are frying the plantains now. So guys, we're going to move down to the sauce. And this is the same pot we fry the plantain, you know. I just need a little bit of oil, so I'm gonna use that. And you guys already saw this that I've cut up. I'm gonna just put this in this. Like that. I'm gonna take some of the water from this that is boiling, put it in this to make the sauce. So, give me a spoon. So guys, for the sauce, I'm going to add some ketchup, some ginger, and some sweet chili. And I'm just going to mix that. Just to make the brown stew sauce, right? Just right? That's right there. The only thing left for me to do is put the broccoli, and I'm going to do the broccoli in the microwave, the broccoli and the cauliflower in the microwave. And then I'm going to put everything together and show you guys when the meal is complete. So I decided that I'm going to add some okra. And these are some frozen okra. Just to give it a little slime, like, you know? Bad to bad, me I could put it now when I'm going to do. And I forgot to do the first shrimp. So I put the shrimp in this. I'm going to add the shrimp to this. So I put the shrimp in there. Add that. They are already pre-cooked, so you don't need them on the top of it. See? Good to go. I'm going to show this over the fish. I didn't know pumpkin or something. People, I just want to smell this. This looks so good. Yeah. So guys, the sauce finished cook. See there? Finished cook. Them here finished cook. So guys, we have the broccoli, we have our cauliflower, and we have our green beans, our string beans. People. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember to turn your post notification bell on so you won't miss an upload from me. Rate me upon the fish, people. And everybody will want some, I'm going to pass over on a plate. Because I'm going to ask Christ, may I tell us the fish shell? The fish tastes so good. So guys, this is the end result. You have your fish, your shrimp. I made a roasted plantain, sweet pepper, corn, broccoli, cauliflower, carrots, some say no want this to eat. That is it, that is it. Order come back here, people. Order it up. Well, nice. Now ask twice. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. What a good them. Remember to do the right thing. Comment, like, and share. Bye.